Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see how we can use a proper upper and lower case of text. In our table here, we have the first column for prefix, the second column for first name, and the third column for second name. But when you scan through the data here, we have mixed cases in terms of text. We have mixed cases that are not making the names to be proper, such that we have lower cases and upper cases within the text anyhow. When you check for Njuguna here, you have the first letter here is N, and then along within the text name, we are having a capital G, and the last letter here is also capital A. So we need to clean this data such that we can have the proper text within our data. So let's see how we can do this within Power BI. So let me just take you to Power BI. So within Power BI desktop here, we'll go to Home tab again. Then I will click Get Data. Before then, let me just save this file. So let me go back to Power BI desktop. So I will click Get Data again. Click Excel Workbook. Then I will click Text Functions. Then Open. And then I will select proper case because my table is named proper case. So I will select this table or that data. Then again I will click transform because we need to transform it first before we load it to Power BI. So what we are doing here is just data cleaning. So from here now we'll select the columns that I need to transform. So I will select column, second column and third column. Then I will click transform tab. Then under text column commands here, we have this column for format. So I will click on the drop down menu. So under here we have a lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, trim and clean. So here what I will do here, we just want to format the second column and the third column. So let me unclick the first column. So I will click these two columns. I will come here and click format. So you now want them to be in lower cases. I will click lowercase. So now you can see all the text within the first and second column are in lowercase. So when I want them in upper cases, I will click upper. So you can see we have all the text in second and first column in upper cases. So again, I can also come and click format here, and then I'll click capitalize each word. So now you can see this one is putting it in a proper case such that the first letter of each word is capital, and all the other letters are small letters. So that's how to use upper, lower, and proper case when you are formatting your text within your data. So from here now we can go to Home tab and click close and apply. So now we want to load it into our Power BI. So now we have a proper case, and when you want to see what we've just transformed, I will go to this icon for view data. Then I will click on this proper case. So now you can see we have a prefix, first name, second name, with the text in a proper case, with the first letter being capital letter and the rest of the letters being small letter. So when you want to use this data again, now I can click on this matrix. Then now I can pull some columns and put within rows. So let me just say I want to put the first. Okay, let me use the table. The table visual, or rather the table visual. So I will pull the first name and put under values. So these are text values. Then the second name as well, and put under values. And maybe the prefix as well, I'll put it on top of the first and the second name. So this is how to transform text into upper, lower, and proper case within Power BI. So I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you understood, and thanks a lot for watching. Let's meet again in the next video.